5 steps. Right? And when we put these 5 steps together, we engineer it back together. Alright? And it gets this sound.
Today I'm going to teach you how to do the human saxophone sound. It's only involving 2 simple steps, right? And step 1 is the voice. Step 2 is the shape of your mouth. Step 1, you got to sound like a turtle making love. So it will sound like this. Step 2 is the weirdest thing ever. All you gotta do is to have this weirdest facial expression, almost like a meme face. You know, you gotta sacrifice some things for an amazing sound. So it will look like that. Now what you gotta do is to just adjust the voice and the shape of your mouth until you get a human saxophone sound. For example, you can put it on the beat like
when I listen to a sound which I really want to learn, I would analyze that sound, break them into different steps, and then I re-engineer it again into my mouth. So this is the surface of the water, and this is the droplet. It goes down, it hits first, and then water bubbles form, and it goes back up, and then it goes back to the surface, and then it pops, right? 5 steps. Right? And when we put these 5 steps together, we engineer it back together. Alright? And it gets this sound. Right? It's very simple. And then you can even beatbox with it. For example, I'm
going to teach you how to do a robotic voice. Just learn the vocal bass line and slide it upwards gently. Just gotta speak and clear your throat at the same time. Yes. You see, once you get a rustling tone and a rustling sensation in your vocal cords, just hold it right there and just keep on doing it until you get really used to it. Okay? So now you gotta slide this vocal bass line upwards gently. I prefer to warm it up with my mouth closed. And then slowly open it. With the tongue on the roof of my mouth. And then I can like try to speak. I am a robot, I am a robot, I am a robot. Okay? And then you can do a beat. I'm gonna do the longest drop it like it's hot in one breath. One minute, 4 seconds. Yep.